black girl magic. Baby hair on fleek, blue cheese on me, lot of lights on me. Black girl magic, black girl magic. Baby hair on fleek, all these lights on me. Black girl magic, yeah, 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 yeah. Got that black girl magic.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna and I'm back again with another video. So before I say anything else, go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications if you want to see more videos from me in the future. But today's video should be fun. So I ordered 4 wigs from Amazon and they're all under $20, I believe. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. I ordered 4 wigs from Amazon, all under $20. The highest one could be maybe like 21, 22. Something around there, but they're pretty cheap synthetic wigs. I went for the ones that still had like good reviews. I don't want to waste my money. Like, I spent $78 on 4 wigs from Amazon. Something better turn out right. Like, I'm not trying to waste my money. But yeah, so I'm about to finish the little bottle of Stella Rosa, trying these wigs for y'all, and hopefully they turn out good. Stiff wear.
You just snatched it off on camera like that?
I showed it.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this first wig. So it comes in this packaging. Oh. It comes Lady Miranda. So I'm guessing this is the brand. It's probably not gonna focus, but it will. Lady Miranda. I don't know why when like these like companies send you wig caps, they send you these. Nobody uses these. But they send like a little weaving cap. And this is the wig. Obviously it's a curly wig. Wow. I can already tell this part about to be trash. So this is the wig. Y'all, this part, this is like a doll. Like, it looks like a doll scalp. Like, the curl is cute, but why is it so straight right here? You know what? I can fix this. They really tried to play me though. About to cut me some bangs real quick. Let me just puff it out first. Cause the curl is really cute. It's just they wouldn't give me the part. It's kind of cute. Oh, I just can't see. Yeah, I really have no idea what I'm doing. I tried to cut it. I feel like it looks better on camera than what it does in person. Because in person, I look a hot mess. But it's giving a little something. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Cover out. Okay, it's giving natural hair vibes. Big curly fro. Okay, this is better. No, I really don't know how it looks on camera, but I know when I look in the mirror, I look a hot mess. Oh, this is cute though. Okay, let me try this other wig. So this is from, is it Aisi A-I-S-I hair. Oh, they ain't the actual wig cap. Well, I got some little cheap eyelashes. Oh, this is a little, it's like a little bob. I don't know if it's a bob, but like a little short hairstyle with bangs. I'm gonna put a picture up of how it looks. Dang, this hair in my face. I don't know what to feel about this one. I'm really scratching plastic scalp. I feel like bangs are a hit or miss with me. I'm giving teacher vibes. Okay, Miss Berry. Okay, I like this one. This is cute. Even though it's giving a Barbie doll scalp. I'm gonna put a picture of how it looks on the picture on Amazon. This is cute. I can wear this out. I don't really like hair on my face though. This is cute. I look like a teacher though. On to the next wig. So it comes in this bag. Oh look, I got some more cheap eyelashes. Thanks. This is by the same hair wig company as the other one. Oh, they gave me an actual wig cap. This lace a little bit better. Has actual lace on there, not that little plastic stuff. Look a little crooked. Dang, this hair get tangled fast. Let me get a brush. So I can see where they were going with this, but these, obviously these ends get really tangled. And it's really long. I mean, this part needs a little concealer on it, but I want to dye my hair so bad, y'all, but I'm not gonna do it. This is cute though. I'll probably wear it with like a hat because this part is trash too, but it's better than other ones. This color is really pretty. It just tangles so bad. Like, me trying to run my fingers through my hair right now was horrible. After I just brushed it for like 5 minutes. But the color is cute. Okay, this one's not as bad as the other one. The part had like an actual little lace on there. I could still probably add some concealer. I can't really tell how it looks on camera, but if I add a little concealer, it'll probably look a little bit more natural. Just to open the part a little bit. I'm not going to pluck it because trying to pluck synthetic wigs is a nightmare. But it's really not that bad. It just tangles. I'll probably cut it a little bit because it's really too long. I ain't gonna show you out the amount of hair in my brush right now. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of shiny. Throw a little baby powder up in that, it's good. Yeah, I need to. I want to dye my hair so bad. This is my color, like red, like this, like red, like burgundy-ish maroon color. Looks so good on my skin. Like it just makes my skin glow. This is my color, and this wig just shedding. Yeah, I mean this wig is cute, but the shedding is horrible. Like, and look at my brush. This wig really look out of this. Like, I don't know if I can put heat on it. It's probably gonna burn off. I honestly don't know what this is, but it's by the same Isa Queen, whatever brand that is. I don't understand why they keep giving me these plastic parts. I'm not a Barbie doll. Like, it's not that hard to throw a little lace on there. Look at this. Why does it look like this? Like it's this part trash. I don't think I can even pluck it. Why do I look like it's folded over? Maybe I just add some concealer. I probably should use a little bit darker color. Yeah, I see that. It's like the actual wig is not bad. The parts suck, but it looks like it's folded over. Don't you worry about it. I throw hat on. This one's cute. And my hair runs through it like way easier than that burgundy straight wig. But this one is cute. I can just throw on a little hat, go to the grocery store. It tangles, but it doesn't tangle as much as the other one. No, I'm lying. Ain't nothing a little brush can't do. I wouldn't actually wear this right here. I'd throw a little hat or something, or like a little bandana. This one's cute though. So this is the last wig, yeah. I don't feel like none of them were just like extremely horrible, but they do need a little work. Like this one I can just throw in a hat and go and I'm good. But I don't think I would actually wear any of them out without a hat on there. Maybe the curly one, if I can like zhuzh it up a little bit, I don't know. But if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications to stay tuned for more content coming up. But yeah, I'm done with this video. Peace.